Hello from Slovenia again. I pulled out my hair dryer again because I want to do kind of a seascape thing with some sunset colors here and some sea here. We will see how this will go. And I was kind of thought that I have 16 by 16 inch canvas that I will use, but it's not, it's 20 by 20, so I don't know if I mixed enough paint. So that's why I will use just some of my pouring medium that it's white right now, but it's dry, it's clear, just to have some base to pour on. So I will just start with that here around, and I have some chunks in it that I will have to get out. So just to have some base, just in case that there is not enough paint that I will be able to blow and it will dry clear. So in the worst case scenario, it will show my canvas through. So it should be all good. Okie doke. So, as I said, I want some kind of sunset thing here, and I will just, this is my white, titanium white. All my paints are mixed with my pouring medium. I will just add a little bit of white here where I want my horizon to be. And I will start with a little bit of yellow right there. This is Amsterdam Azo Yellow medium. Okay. And I have Amsterdam Fluorescent Orange. And this is Winsor & Newton Permanent Magenta. And I will add a little bit of white here too. And I have this fluorescent violet. Okay, and I will add some pearl white for maybe some kind of, you know, clouds or something. Oop, it was a lot. Doke. White, and this is Brilliant Blue. And I think that this orange synced up a little bit, so I will just add a little more right there. Okie doke. And I will add more white, titanium white here. And maybe some of this phthalo blue. Okay, so on the bottom part, as I said, I want kind of a sea. So I will pour this like that. This was phthalo blue, as I said, and I have some algae from this little piggy pigments. And don't forget, this is transparent, what looks white now. And I have some dark Prussian blue. And this is Bebeo iridescent blue-green. And I will add some white. This is just white, not pearl white. So I will add just white here around the corners, the sides, I should say. This is my Nera barking on something. It's weathery here, but it's sunny, so kind of happy that we got some sun today. And I think that I forgot my brilliant blue. Okay, it should be enough. It's basically, you know, playing with with the hair dryer and trying to accomplish some kind of seascape, landscape look. I kind of think that I need a little more of that darker blue here. Yeah, okay. So here I will just blow, like, you know, from side to side. this part bothers me. I had now way too much paint. I was afraid that I will not have enough, and now I have way too much paint. I hope it will not crack, because I really like this painting. Really do. Checking the sides. Here. Yeah, I'm happy. I just hope that I don't have too much paint. I don't know why I was thinking that I need that transparent base, but maybe it should be there, and I don't know, maybe we will see some nice looking thing from that transparency. We will see. So let me take you down. I am happy with this one. This kind of looks like some clouds or something. The sky and the sea. It's beautiful. Some waves kind of crashing, so I'm happy. Fingers crossed that it will dry okay. I hope that I will be able to show you the dried result. So here she is, dry, and I love it. And I have to show you that algae. I hope that you will see that gorgeous shimmery pigment. It's just gorgeous, and I think that the sea is just beautiful. I still have to figure out this bottom part, and the sky with some clouds, and love this part there. I think that it turned out quite good. Maybe I will touch up this part a little bit, but it's kind of a cloud, so maybe not. So I'm very, very pleased with this painting. And I want to do more. Now that I know how, and try to do this line more straight and maybe more of those colors and less blue on the sky. But after all, I'm very pleased with this one. Yay! Tell me what you think. Do you like it too, or is just me being, I don't know, overexcited about this one? Oh my god, this algae. This pigment is just amazing. I just love it. See that shimmer? Yeah. Love it. Love, love, love it. So thanks for being here, and if you didn't subscribe yet, please do. Leave a comment, share the video to help me, because these algorithms lately are not friendly with me. And see you again on the next one. Bye.